Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjdi Creations. First and foremost, let me thank you all for all your support, love and blessings. I hope that you've checked out our video on how to create the calendar as well as how to create the paintings for the month of Jan, Feb, March and April. Today we'll be creating a super beautiful painting for the month of May, and we'll be creating the painting of Lakshmi Ji in Kalamkari style. So let us quickly get started.
Hi guys, let us now create a beautiful picture of Lakshmi Ji for the month of May. Now you must be wondering why we are creating Lakshmi Ji for the month of May. That is because Akshaya Tritiya lies in the month of May this year, which is a super auspicious day. And to bless us with a lot of abundance, positivity and success, as well as with a lot of wealth, let us worship and create the image of Goddess Lakshmi. Now for the May calendar month, I have created 1 centimeter border on all 4 sides. So I've just marked a thin line with it, and I have created a center line dividing my page into half, so that our picture of Lakshmi Ji is absolutely symmetric. Now today we will be creating Lakshmi Ji in Kalamkari style. Now let us start. First we are going to make a lotus below on which Lakshmi Ji is sitting. For that purpose, approximately here, this much area I am keeping below where I will be creating my lotus. So I am trying to create a symmetric lotus on both sides. So this way I have created 3 petals this way, and then we will start creating the petals little behind, because we are going to show that Lakshmi Ji is sitting on top here. Like this, and somewhere till here we will show water below. Now here we are going to be sitting Lakshmi Ji. Let us now create the figure of Lakshmi Ji, after which we will finish the lotus. Now from approximately I have left 1 centimeter radius, just leave a little area so that the crown doesn't touch the top, and we will start creating the crown. Now in the center we will make a drop shape. Now here first let us make the face, and in this typical ears are going to be made like this. Okay. The earrings are very big compared to the size of the face. So there's a very typical way of making the body structure, as well as all the decoration bits, everything is made in a very peculiar way, and every form of Indian folk art makes them beautifully and differently. So in case you haven't checked out my complete course on Kalamkari, you can check it out. I have mentioned the links in the description box below to be able to see all those videos covering Kalamkari right from the beginning, starting from the borders. So we are basically making her sit in a way that one of her foot is up and one foot is going to come down. So here, from here, now let us first make the hands of Devi Ma. So you can either make your hand facing outwards, or you can make the hand facing inwards. So here I'm thinking of making my hand facing outwards. Okay, I'm just making my outline of the hand right now. The second hand arm is here. So this is the second hand. The ornaments in the hands are going to be similar. There will be a lot of opulent jewelry here. So now we are going to make two more hands. So this is the hand, and Devi Ma is holding a lotus. Like this. If you want, you can have the stem here. So she's holding the lotus in one hand. Now comes the hand towards this side. So there is another lotus here. Now comes the hue that we'll create behind. So here for the hue we can use a compass to create the hue around. So approximately, let me measure. So approximately 2.5 centimeter hue you can create. I'm creating this gem as the center point. So this is the innermost line. So So like this, I've created few reference lines here for the U. In each of these lines, we are going to do a different design pattern later on. Now let us do the drawing of the face. At the level of the ears are going to be the eyebrows. So the face is done. Now let us first start our drawing part of the borders. Now for this I am taking a simple border pattern. We are going to draw the borders and then we are going to start our painting. We are going to completely paint this in a beautiful kalamkari style paint. Now for the borders, I'm taking my Micron 0.3. I'm going to be doing my drawing work. Now take your scale. Let us learn how to do one border and we can do the others similarly. Just draw a double line. Simple flower I'm making for the corners, and for doing my border here I'm drawing a reference line in the center. Now this is a very simple yet elegant geometric button border that I'm creating because we'll be doing a lot of intricate work inside. So we have chosen a simple border. Start from one edge. In this we will be creating these slant lines, but they are not drawn very close to each other. There is a significant, there is a little distance in between them. They are not drawn very close by. See, this way we have created. Now it is going to be like a continuous one, this way going up, going this way and coming down. So similarly, let me create for the other three sides. We are now going to start our colors. For this I'm using acrylic colors. I'm first using a golden yellow. Golden yellow we will be doing in all the jewelry part, wherever we want to make the jewelry. In all of those parts we are going to do a golden yellow. So first see, now in this way I have done all the jewelry part. Wherever you want to do the jewelry part, you will do the golden yellow color because we are going to do intricate designing on top of this. Now comes this part, that is the hue or the halo. For that also internal one line and two lines I am keeping, and this part again I am going to do yellow so that we can create a design. The outer part again we are going to leave for the white. In this outer part we are going to do a layer of white. Now we are going to do the sari of Lakshmi ji. For that I have taken out this color. This is a turquoise green color, 427 number, and I have taken out a little bit of white. Now I am just going to mix it with a little bit of white to make a lighter shade. And we are going to do this shade of green for the entire sari of Lakshmi ji. Now I am taking the same golden yellow. I am taken a lot of white because generally goddesses in kalamkari style are made with a little tint of yellow in the complexion. So keep adding till you get a very light palish yellow color we want. Otherwise ज्वेलरी और उसमें हम डिफरेंस नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this kind of a light color I'm going to use. So here we'll be able to make out the difference also between the jewelry and the body. That is why I have taken a very pale color of yellow. If you want, you can take a darker shade also. It's totally optional. Now I have painted goddess. Now what we are going to do is I have taken out a little bit of magenta. You can take out crimson or magenta. And we are going to make a baby pink. Say light pink. Okay, and we are going to do this in the lotus. Now in the same way I'll just finish the lotus lower part also. See, now I have painted the lotus and this, how pretty it has started looking now. Now we are going to do this in watercolor. You can take any shade of blue that you have with you. Here I have taken this blue color which is sky blue number 63. I'm just going to do a flat blue color in this part and show you. So now as the water dries up, I'm going to do the background. Here for the background I'll be using my crimson and I'll just going to leave these and I'm going to do the crimson color. So now I have done my crimson and now I'm using my Micron 0.3. We are going to start our design work in the water first. Now you can use any waterproof, fade proof pen. It's going to work well on your acrylic colors. So this will water impression I'm making everywhere. And we can do an outline for our lotus. So this way the water is done and the lotus is done. Let us now start making the dhoti part of Devi Mas. Now in the dhoti of Lakshmi ji, we are going to give a pattern. Any pattern, simple pattern we can give. Here I am simply going to be using my lines in some places and dots in some places. Now let us start with the mala here. Now in these ornaments, we are going to add some color. Later on in the form of red color we can add. Let us now do these hands. Now let us do the this hue on top. Now here I am doing this curve line. So in this way we have made the hue. Now we will do the background, designing in the backgrounds. So in this way, the beautiful picture of Lakshmi Ji in Kalamkari style is ready. Do create your own. Do share with me what all color combinations you used in your picture. So in this way, our calendar for the month of May is done. Do create your own and share with us.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.